Hey guys, hello everyone, and coming to this video we are going to see a online course on advanced data science at IBM, an online FDP faculty development program on cyber threat intelligence SVNIT, eligibility MSc, MCA, BE, BTech, ME, MTech and PhD, and covered topics data science, Internet of Things, deep learning, statistics, machine learning. This is very good news for who are looking this type of FDPs and online courses at various reputed universities like NIT, IIT, IISc. Coming to content of this video, online course on advanced data science by IBM, 4 months duration. Understanding on massive parallel data processing, data exploration and visualization, and advanced machine learning, deep learning. You will understand the mathematical foundation behind all machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Maybe skills you will gain: data science, Internet of Things, IoT, deep learning, Apache Spark, statistics, machine learning, long short term memory, ISTM. And there are 4 courses in this specialization, and these are the content. For more details, go through website online course on advanced data science by IBM. Coming to Department of Computer Science, SV, National Institute of Technology, Surat is organizing AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsors 5 days online faculty development program FDP on cyber threat intelligence and digital forensics during from July 19th to July 23, 2021. And these are the topics: introduction to cyber threat intelligence, cyber threat data collection techniques, information security risk assessment and management, penetration testing and memory network application, hardware and cold forensics, tools and techniques, cyber laws and ethics, adapt to cyber defense and immunity. Interested candidates and faculty members and research scholars and industry. And there is no registration fee. For more details, go through website Atal program and go select state wise and go trust area. Then you can apply.